What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're on the GoPro, so I'm sorry if it looks a little weird, but I'm gonna put it on my head. I'm just gonna show you guys pretty much the HONDATA and everything. So obviously, as you guys can tell by the video, I do have HONDATA. If you guys are asking why I'm wearing the same jacket from last time, it's pretty much the same day. But yeah, I do have my HONDATA FlashPro here. It is a pre-2013 model, which I found out because it doesn't have Bluetooth. But anyways, I'm gonna pretty much show you guys how I did it and pretty much what I'm doing. I do pretty much upload everything without a laptop. So basically what I do is when I get the HONDATA, I plug it into the car. Obviously make sure everything's unlocked, but I'll plug it into the car. I'll then plug it into my computer. From there, I pretty much follow all the directions. It's pretty simple. You register it. You have to register it, lock it to your ECU, which you'll do manually. Pretty easy. You just type in the VIN and everything. And then from there, pretty much what you're gonna do is upload the tune to the HONDATA. And pretty much once you get to the car, all you're gonna pretty much do is there's two different maps that you can upload on this thing, right? So pretty much if you have everything on the first map, when you put the car and you put it on, so like not when the car is running or the engine's running, but pretty much if it's just on, all you're gonna hit is the program button, hold that down, and then the program button will light up, and then pretty much it'll upload on here. If you have it on the second map, you're gonna hold both data log and program at the same exact time, and then you're gonna let go of program, hold data log, and then program up here will light up, and then pretty much you can use your HONDATA. I already have it uploaded to the car, so we're pretty much gonna take it for a spin. I am in a parking lot, but I am running the stock tune, or not stock tune, but like pretty much stock everything, completely stock, and it's tuned. So it did bring VTEC a little bit lower on, I think it's like 4300 and then 5800. So there's two different spots where it's at, I believe. I gotta double check those numbers. I'll pretty much pop everything up on here, but it is the stock, completely stock, but it's tuned. I don't have anything on this car but a custom 3-inch exhaust, which doesn't do anything. So I'm pretty much gonna put you guys on my head and we're gonna go for a little drive and just do like a full review, because this car needed HONDATA. It just felt super slow. So hopefully this wakes up the car a little bit, but pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna put this GoPro on my head and we're gonna go for a little drive. All right, let's go for a little drive. I can't wait to get this thing fully tuned. Now I was told that I shouldn't run base mount for a very long time because the base mounts are like not good. So I'm trying to think about who I should get it tuned by. I kind of have an idea of who I'm gonna go with, but let me know, all you HN people, let me know who I should go with. But I have a pretty good idea of who I want to have this thing tuned by. It feels a lot better in terms of cruising. Kind of want to go on the freeway here, even though I know the freeway is gonna be freaking busy. Maybe we do a little pull right here. Nobody behind us. See if we can do a little pull here, boys. What y'all think? Yeah! Holy. It definitely feels a lot better than stock tune. Whoa. I didn't feel like the second part of VTEC kick in, but I definitely did feel the first part. At like 40 something 100 RPM. But I'm kind of interested now. This car sounds so good. Oh, but holy shit, does that feel good. Oh shit. But even in terms of like cruising, it just feels good. Oh, I'm gonna like this. I need a new steering wheel. Let me know what steering wheel I should go with, because this one, I'm sure you guys can tell, is completely filthy. It's dirty. I actually like hate it. So I've been driving for a little bit now. There was a bunch of traffic, so I wasn't really able to record a whole lot. So I pretty much just stopped the recording, and now that we're out of traffic, at least I hope. So far it feels good. I don't feel a lot of that lag like it was. Obviously it's not a lot of power, but I don't really know what the base map fully adjusts. I know with like the 10 gens and the Type R, of course, it adjusts like boost levels, which gives you more power. And don't necessarily know this is more power or if it's just more VTEC is lower. I don't exactly know what it is. I didn't do a whole lot of research on it, so I don't know too much about it, but it does feel a lot better in traffic, just in everyday driving. Like, I can actually feel like I'm gonna pass cars versus having cars pass me to get over. A little 50. Yeah! This car sounds good, bro. It's weird because Civics are known for sounding like boo-boo, but it sounds good in here, so I don't know how it's gonna sound outside, but it feels really good. It feels solid with the HONDATA. I feel like I'm more comfortable in the car now versus what it was, because before HONDATA it just was not feeling like a good driver. Now obviously I want to get a Pro Tune and everything and have this thing running completely right, because obviously base maps are never the right thing, but no, this feels really good. Now it drives pretty good. I do need brakes on this thing. I might just get some rotors and some pads for now, but I do want to go the Accurate TL Type S bigger brakes. It's not super fast, but it's just fun. Funner than what it was, because before it didn't feel like it was drivable, but now it feels like it's super drivable. I'm actually enjoying this. You guys can't really tell, but I got a smile on my face because of how funny it is. Like, coming from a Type R, which has a lot more power, obviously, and obviously it's tuned on E85 and everything, this car feels a lot slower, but it's just a lot more fun. I don't know if you guys have that same enjoyment when you drive yours, but dude, this thing just feels fun. I don't know what it is. It's just like, wah, but it's really not going anywhere. I don't know. I like it. I can't wait till I get like an intake and the headers on this thing, and then get like a tune for it, which I'm sure is gonna feel a lot better. It's just so funny. This is a funny car. Like I said in the last video, I want to make like 250 all motor. That's a nice 4Runner. I wouldn't mind getting one of those too and driving one of those. That's actually really clean with the white wheels. I like that. But yeah, you feel VTEC kind of kick in around 43, 4400, and then it just kind of keeps pulling, I guess. It doesn't really feel like it's opening up another more VTEC, because I know obviously it's not as hard as the stock tune is. It's kind of like spread out, so it feels really good though. And also too, if you guys have an FA5, let me know which headers I should get. I was looking at the Skunk 2 Alpha headers, which I was told those are the best ones for this car, but let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking about getting those. I might pick up a set of those. I know what intake I'm going to go with, so I pretty much want to see what those are going to do. You know, obviously I want this thing to push a lot more. I don't know if E85 is really going to do anything with the stock motor unless it's boosted. Intercoolers, I don't know what intercooler to get. I just want to see how much I can push reliably on this car. Ooh, I should probably take this thing up in the canyons. Bet. If you guys can give me, I don't know what to average a video. If you guys can give me 75 likes, no, fuck, let's go for 100. If you guys can give me 100 likes on this video, I'll take this car to the canyons how it is. And if it blows up there, I'll just have to find a tow or something. But if you guys want to see this car up in the canyons, a video of it, give this video a thumbs up, give me to 100 likes, and yeah, we'll take this up there. Take some help with me, of course, because you just never know. Oh, this thing just feels so much better, bro. God, I wonder how it sounds. This gotta sound sick, right? Come on, K20! This thing is funny, bro. This has got to be like the funniest car. God, it's so loud. lightweight too. You can literally feel how light it is. Isn't that crazy? Like the Type R is a little bit heavier than this. I think this is 2800 and I think the Type R is 3200. I'm not sure. But it's just that 400 pound, whatever the difference is between these two cars, is a big difference. That's actually kind of nuts. I can only imagine like this motor, like an EG or EK or something, like something even lighter. That thing must be like a freaking bullet. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. We got HONDATA on the car, so we finally can get this car tuned. But I want to get a couple more things, like I said. Intake, headers, tune. That's what's next for the powertrain. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now we have HONDATA, so we finally have a tune that we can do. So if you guys are brand new here, give this video a thumbs up. Oh, a little rubbing. We have to do a little tunnel pull for the boys. This for the boys, you know what I'm saying? Okay, no, I felt second VTEC there. I felt it open all the way up. I'm telling you, bro, this car is funny. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.